Good morning, respected principal ma'am, vice principals, our teachers, and my dear friends. I am Kalmeshwar and today I am really honored to stand before you as a candidate for the house captain. Leaders aren't born; they are made by their actions, their choices, and their courage to stand for others. Today I am standing here not just to ask for your vote, but to earn your real trust. I believe that leadership is not about holding a title, it's all about taking responsibilities, inspiring others, and creating a good impact. I may not be the one who will be always the loudest voice in the room, but I will always be the one who will listen to each and every voice and then only take a decision. And I would like to say that our house is more than just a group, we are our family, and every voice in this family matters for me. I promise you all to guide you, motivate you, and walk with you to bring out the best in our house, and not only in the competition but also in the values like respect, unity, and discipline. If you all elect me as your house captain, I will promise to be a bridge between you and the teachers, and also be encourage sportsmanship, unity, and discipline. If I am elected as your house captain, then I will be the one who will lead here by examples and never let anyone behind. So let's make a house that is not only great in winning trophies but also in showing respect, teamwork, and moreover a true leadership. At last, I would like to say that vote for me if you want, and because together we are better, stronger, and unbeatable. Thank you all.
Good morning to all present here. I am Sakar of class 9 standing before you with a pride as a nominee for the position to house captain. It's an honor to even be considered for this role, and I am thankful for giving me this opportunity. Being a leader is not about wearing a badge and leading my events. It's about responsibilities, teamwork, and setting an example. I believe that leadership is about lifting others up, listening to everyone's voice, and make a house stronger together. If you vote me as your captain, I promise to encourage teamwork, support every member with their full potential, and listen to everyone's voice, and most important, being someone you can trust and rely on. Let's make this year one to remember, not just with victories, but with fun and teamwork. Vote for me, I am Zatkar, as your captain, and lead this year and lead our house to success, not alone but together as a team. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone present here. I am Ashina Bhagi and I am from class 9. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our new house warden who has nominated me for the election of our new house captain. I am very humbled by the trust they have placed on me, and I am very grateful for the opportunity to lead our house. Their faith in me has taught me that I am capable to lead this position, and I have committed to live up to that expectation. Today, I stand before you for the camping of new house captain position. I am always ready to work for our house, and I know that our team has a lot of talent. My goal is to make our house stronger and create a good environment for our members. I am ready to work with you and do everything possible to make our house successful. I promise you that I will listen to your ideas and suggestions and take decisions that are in your best interest. Only thing that I need from your side is support. So kindly support me so together we can achieve great things. At the end, I will request all of our new house members to kindly support me and give me the opportunity to be the captain of the new house. I am ready to work with you and do everything possible to make our house successful. Thank you and kindly vote me. Remember my name, Akshara Bhangi.
A very good morning, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Jayati, a proud member of Blue House, standing before you as a nominee for the post of White House Captain. Our motto is we learn to serve. It is not just a life, it is a way to life. I believe a true leader is one who serves first and leads with hearts. Let's make the Blue House not the best, but the most united house. If you choose me as your house captain, I will uphold your dedication and discipline. Remember my name, Jayati. Vote for me. Thank you.
Morning, Mr. President. My teachers and my dear friends. I am Shamu Sri from wishes, then I am here to be your voice. I am a student today, but with your valuable support, I will be a true leader, and if you believe in me. The things I'm going to bring to our new house are more team spirit, fun plus discipline together, and respect to everyone. I am not here to wear a badge, but I am here to lead with heart and make new house brighter than ever. So if you vote to someone who will never let you down, please vote for me, Kalmeshwar. Thank you.